Who's this from?
The wife. No surprise.
Wait till you see what's inside.
Well, I know it's from J. Cutler, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think the picture or poster of a soil. Poster. Oh, nice.
Autographed.
Autograph. Yeah, he put my name. Nice. I have my glasses on. There we go. Very nice.
Okay, I'm zooming in.
Very nice.
Where I'm coming in to see. Thanks, J. Cutler.
Fantastic, buddy. Thanks, man. Awesome. I'm gonna put it right there beside the weights. Nice. That's a nice picture.